Hello, how are you doing? My name is LyricRochester. Welcome to my channel. So I am going to sit here and not pretend. I'm going to sit here and pretend that I have not been filming videos after videos after videos for you guys. So put a little respect on my name. So it's gonna be spread the love YouTube tag of questions, and it's 10 questions, but they're pretty lengthy. So it says, which YouTuber from your subscription list would you most like to hit the bar with? Why do you assume I'm a drinker? In Jamaica we call them rummed. Or you automatically assume I'm rummed. But definitely only one impo. Yo, I don't know if she drinks, but if she does, I know I'm finna have a good time, honey. Only one info, definitely. Which YouTuber from my subscription list would you most likely go shopping with? Oh, I would go naturally Miss Toya. You know why? Because I can picture like me taking off something and she goes, no Lyric, that not add, and Lyric, no how much feet, no that too much. You know what I mean? So yeah, naturally Miss Toya. If you won $1 million, what one YouTuber from your subscription list would you share it with and why? $1 million. I would share it with Georgia Hatch. She's a mother, and she has 2 children, and one of her children is special needs. And to me, she looks well off. Like, she's good. She is good. But I would really love to just, you know, I can only imagine how stressful it gets and how tiring it gets. So I would love to take her out, you know, give her some of the cash, you know, or, you know, help with treatments, probably a more specific school for her daughter. I don't know, but I would definitely share it with Georgia Hatch, Flawless Hatch. I don't know her YouTube name, but I know she has a YouTube channel. I think it's called Georgia Hatch. So definitely I would share it with her. It's the end of the world. Your tablet, phone, computer, only access to YouTube, and you have 10 minutes to live. Whose video from your subscription list would you watch? I would definitely, I know shade to all my makeup girls, but I would definitely watch First Two Feast. I would definitely watch Hot Ones, because right now I'm in need of a Hot Ones episode, because your girl is hungry. It's just 8 a.m. in the morning. This is my 3rd video filming, but I've been up since 4:30 because I wake up at like 4:15 every morning to go to the hill. I woke up at 4:30. I didn't go to the hill. I just stayed in, and I don't think I'm going to the gym. I just want to rest for today. So but I have to go to work at 10. So I am hungry, so hungry. And right now, whenever I'm hungry, I love to watch Hot Ones. Oh my god, I really want to get those hot sauces. I want to get the 2 hot ones. Or did they have 3? No, I think they have 3 hot ones hot sauce. 3 hot ones hot sauce, and I want to get all of them. And they have one called the Lash, which is like 2 million Scoville points or something like so. So definitely that. Hot ones, definitely. Which YouTube couple from your subscription list would you most likely to vacation with? Where and why? Couple. You know what? I am going to say, even though I have not watched these videos in a very long time, which is, it's bad when you find out who I'm talking about. But I am going to say Stephen Furtick and his wife, and my husband and myself. Why? Because I just feel like he is just, you know, like he's a pastor, you know, a man of God. And I feel like I want to see how he is like when he's not on the camera. You'd all say like, what is he really like? You know, like, does he make dirty jokes? You know, that's Stephen. I'm going to hell, honey. Yeah, Stephen Furtick. And because of who I am too, and because of who I joke as well, especially with my married friends and non-married, let's be real. I'd love to see. And it says YouTuber. I have to be in my life, but it's a YouTuber tag. So YouTuber. Name a YouTuber from your subscription list you would want to switch shoes with for one day. Jackie Aina, hands down. Wait, do you mean shoes or life? still jacket iron her hands down, because if it's real shoes, she can walk in heels and I can't. And if it's life, obviously. You're invited on Jeopardy and can only bring one YouTuber from your subscription list. Who would you bring? I will definitely bring Matthew Santara, because for all those 50 amazing facts, he just did his 100 50 amazing facts, which is 5,000 facts, and they're all different facts. That's crazy to me. I really hope he remembers all those facts he's slinging, because I will definitely bring Matthew Santara. Definitely. Oh, I'm a Matthew Santara fan as well. Okay. Which YouTuber from a subscription most needs a shout out? A YouTuber from my subscription who most needs a shout out. Yeah, Deja Michelle, definitely. Most likely needs a shout out. Definitely. Deja Michelle on YouTube. She's Jamaican. She's Jamaican British or British Jamaican. I don't know which takes precedence. But yeah, definitely. Definitely my girl Deja. Definitely. Love you, boo. Definitely. You just left the club. You're walking down an alley and some scary characters start coming your way. Which YouTuber from your subscription list would you want to be there with you? In my head, I'm thinking Shane Dawson, but then I'm also thinking realistically like, dog, what am I gonna do? So I would choose. I'm sorry. I would have to choose only one impo again, because she just still up on bad girl to me. And if them do not on the bag say, she gonna probably say, Lyric, hold on there. And you tell me what, you know what I mean? Like, I just feel like she would go there. You know what I'm saying? Like, if me a war, me need only one input in my corner. That's how I feel. And she's so, oh, I love her. She has no idea how much I love her. Oh my god, I can't wait to meet her. But definitely only one input. She showed up twice on this list. The girl is banging. Okay. Alright, so what YouTuber from a subscription list to you gave the most inspiration from? Okay, that's the last question. It can't be just one. I'm inspired every single time I watch everything Apple Pro, and it's just tech wise, you know. I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna see if I can get a new iPad, I'm gonna see if I can get a new MacBook, you know what I mean? Like, so he inspires me. In terms of where I want to be in my YouTube career, subscriber wise, notoriety, yeah, definitely Jackie Aina. And for, I guess it's for comedic timing and just remaining interesting, people who inspire me is like Matthew Santaro and Shane Dawson as well, just for the style, how they do their videos. I think it's phenomenal. I mean, Matthew recently just got a new camera, and I'm just like, I didn't look in the description, so I'm hoping it's in the description about what camera he got, but I know that camera's probably like $1,200 or $7,000 or some shit. I know it's going to be expensive, but I love the bouquet it gives in the background. I love how it just, as in, right now this is darn near blurred, you know what I mean? Like, even though I'm this close to you, like, he's fully standing way farther than I am from the camera, and his background is blurred, and I love that. I just want to be better at YouTube, guys. I mean, I am 33 this year. On the 3rd of December I'll be 33, and I just feel like I'm not there. I'm struggling at 200,000. I know that sounds ungrateful, and I'm not. Please don't get me wrong, but when you've been doing something for 7 years and I think you'd have gotten, you know, a little bit farther, and you're still at that place, it's a little disheartening. It's very disheartening. But again, I do YouTube because I love it. I do YouTube because I enjoy it. I enjoy filming myself, editing myself. It puts me in control, and I had no idea that I was such, I don't think I'm a control freak, but it's mine. I'm very possessive. What's that word? I'm very mine, you know, like mine. Don't touch it, mine. You know, mine. YouTube is very mine, you know, and I am honestly blown away by the comments that you guys leave. I'm humbled, you know, when somebody would write me, you know, met me there, woman crush Wednesday. That doesn't happen anymore. But when, you know, like, they comment under my Instagram or on my YouTube, and recently I've been responding. I haven't responded to everybody. I've been deliberately not responding to people who say you don't respond to subscribers. Those are the ones I don't respond to. But as soon as the video goes up, I try to respond as soon as I can, to try and cut down the time that I respond, and just to continue to always to connect with you guys, because I appreciate you. You don't have to watch my videos, and some of you have been rolling with me since day one. Some of you have been watching me for 7 years, and some of you just came in probably year 5, year 4. Either way, the majority of you guys have seen me pregnant with Jonathan. You've seen me you've seen Jonathan grow up on camera. You've seen everything, and oh, I'm getting emotional. It's, even though I'm not where I really want to be subscriber wise and hell financially, it is an amazing experience going through it with you guys. I feel like you guys understand me, you know, which is why whenever you guys see me on the road and stuff, please don't not come up to me. Please come up to me and say something, because whenever I go out, I always get people staring at me, and I'm wondering, is it my hair, is it my makeup, or do they know me from YouTube? Either way, I wouldn't know, you know. So please don't be afraid to come up to me. And everybody who comes up to me, I always give them a hug, because I can, and I'm not being hype or anything, or I'm not show off or whatever, but I can just imagine meeting Rihanna, you know. And I was like, oh my gosh, hi Rihanna, you really inspire me. I just love your business ethic. I love how you work. I love how you then made like $1 into $100 billion, you know. And she goes, oh my gosh, thank you so much. And then she hugs me. She embraces me. It's not, she's like, okay, hi, bye, and gone. She literally embraces me. I believe to let somebody in your personal space, like with a hug, is extremely intimate, you know. So for every subscriber, tell me to always hug them. Even when I went to the hotel, you guys will see my vlog. Oh, I need to upload a vlog today. I give my subscribers a hug when I can. Even when I just come to the pool, I'm like, I'm wet, but let me get a hug, you know what I mean? I'm humbled by this experience, and I'm grateful for this platform. I mean, I'm getting hair, I'm getting teeth whitening, skincare, you know. I'm humbled. I'm humbled by this platform, and I'm humbled by you guys, and I thank you. Even though I'm not where I want to be, I have very high standards for myself, and I do not see them coming down anytime soon. But I'm humbled by that, you guys, and I truly appreciate you. This video is not what I wanted to make, but I appreciate you guys, and I love you guys. And if you have any more tag ideas that I can sit down and talk to you, just let me know, because the ones that I YouTube, I have one more to do, but I got to do that with my brother, because that's sibling tag. So I'll do that with my brother when he has time, probably on a Saturday or something. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys. I'm such a weirdo.